Hello, baking enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a classic treat. That's both simple and delicious, the steamed sponge cake. And the best part? We're making it without a mixer. Get ready for a fluffy, light, and airy cake that's surprisingly easy to achieve. Let's get started. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 4 large eggs, separated into yolks and whites. You'll also need half a cup of granulated sugar, divided, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. A pinch of salt will enhance the flavors. Finally, you will need a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Preheat your steamer. Fill your steamer with water and bring it to a boil. Have your steaming mold ready, be it a heat-resistant bowl, a cake pan, or a loaf pan. Grease and flour your chosen mold to prevent the cake from sticking. This is a crucial step. Let's start with the egg yolks. In a bowl, whisk the egg yolks and half the sugar until they turn pale yellow and slightly thick. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. The goal is to incorporate air into the yolks, creating a light base for our cake. In a separate, clean bowl, whisk the egg whites with a pinch of salt until soft peaks form. Gradually add the remaining sugar and continue whisking until stiff, glossy peaks form. Be careful not to overwhip the egg whites. They should stand tall and hold their shape. Now, gently fold the egg yolk mixture into the egg whites. Do this in 2 or 3 additions to prevent deflating the egg whites. Be gentle and use a spatula. Mix until just combined. Don't overmix. Sift the flour and baking powder together. Gently fold them into the egg mixture. Add the vanilla extract and fold until just combined. Again, avoid overmixing. Overmixing can result in a dense cake, which is what we are trying to avoid. Pour the batter into your prepared mold. Tap the mold gently on your counter to release any trapped air bubbles. This step is important for an even bake. Place the mold in your preheated steamer. Cover the steamer tightly to prevent steam from escaping. Steam the cake for about 20 to 25 minutes. The baking time depends on the size of your mold, so keep an eye on it. The cake is done when it's risen, springy to the touch, and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Carefully remove the mold from the steamer. Let the cake cool slightly in the mold before inverting it onto a wire rack to cool completely. This is very important, as this will prevent it from collapsing. Once the cake has completely cooled, you can slice and enjoy it. This simple steamed sponge cake is light, airy, and perfect with a cup of tea or coffee. Enjoy this easy treat, and remember, happy baking!